So let's get started. In this one, I'm quickly sharing that what basically I have learned throughout my CA articleship, particularly, or we can say more precisely, specifically in the Excel. So during my 3 years of CA articleship, as I told earlier, Excel become more than just a software for me. It become my everyday working partner. I'm sharing something which I have written today only. It become my everyday working partner, you may say. From handling audit working to preparing tax reconciliation, I realized that strong Excel skill can save hours of manual effort and improve accuracy significantly. So basically what I have learned throughout my journey, that is VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is something which you find search vertically, and XLOOKUP. How does practically work? I will try to make each these things more in detail in my subsequent video probably. So what I have learned basically, that is we look up what we simply do, that while auditing we simply export the Tele ERP, the BZ software to simply the Excel, and everything we do in the Excel. So simply, if you're as a CA freshers, or if you're looking for a job in R2R, for example, record to report or something like that, they simply ask you the accounts question, the Excel question. The HR will simply ask that what you have learned throughout your journey in Excel. So you have to answer like you have, if you have done this. So because you have some knowledge also, if you are answering something which you are saying that I have done, though there may be counter question obviously. So if you have done the VLOOKUP, so you simply tell that you have did the VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP for reconciliation and data matching, pivot table if you use for more better presentation, if you use a pivot table for audit analysis and reporting. And some this is so basic, this everyone knows some countif formulas for large data. You simply use this formula, sum if, countif if formulas for large data handling. This you know, k equals to, then you bracket open, then you select the sales, then bracket close and press enter. This is most commonly used things. And उसके बाद conditional formatting, if you have done the conditional formatting, and if you have not done, then you probably in advanced IT you know these things. Your teacher must taught you these things because these are the basic things in the Excel. And if you are C aspirant, so you know must. If you don't know, then you need to learn this basic things. And if you don't know, then I will tell you later in the video that how we can do this things practically. Then conditional formatting to identify mismatches quickly, then data validation for maintaining accuracy in report, GST and TDS working paper presentation. These are simple things. Then we may say financial statement formatting and presentation, bank reconciliation and ledger scrutiny using filter sorting. You probably done this filter sorting, highlighting how will you record the macro, and preparing management report and client data summaries, working with huge data sets. You have done this. If you have done this statutory audit, tax audit, that how will you do these, कैसे आप summarize filter sorting करने वाले हो. उसके बाद but beyond formula, the biggest learning was Excel teaches you how to think logically, because Excel teaches, मतलब Excel में जितना सीखोगे उतना भी कम लगेगा, because कहीं ना कहीं इतने सारी चीजें होती है. तो इट टीचेस यू हाउ टू थिंक लॉजिकली, कैसे आप एफिशिएंटली वर्क यूज कर सकते हैं. हाँ, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट कि कितना आप ज़्यादा कीबोर्ड से यूज़ कर रहे हो, इंस्टीड ऑफ आप ऐसा नहीं कि एक एक चीज़ों को माउस से जाके क्लिक करें, नहीं. यू नो एवरीथिंग, बस आपका जो है हाथ की माउस पे बहुत ही फास्ट और एक्यूरेसी के साथ चल रहा है, वी मस्ट से. उसके अलावा डेटा, प्रेजेंट डेटा प्रोफेशनली. So this is the learning for Excel. This is so basic things which I'm telling you. Later in the part, I will tell you how to do this thing. Some if count formula, filtering, sorting, pivot table, and what I have not mentioned here, filter sorter, X lookup, V lookup. Then I will summarize each and everything in the next video. by and follow for more. Correct.